Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to register your Starbucks card online. Open the website starbucks.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your account profile at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Card Management. Click on Card Management. On this page, you will see an option for Add Card. Click on Add Card. Now, enter the Starbucks card number and security code on the field provided. After entering the required information, click on Add Card. That's how to register your Starbucks card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.